Hey guys, it's Jacqueline from SolFood Collective, bringing you all things vegan and ways to live a healthy, holistic lifestyle. Super Bowl is right around the corner. I am so excited. I don't know about you, but I am a huge football fan. I'm a little sad that my team, the Patriots, didn't make it, but whatever. We'll be back next year. Regardless, Super Bowl parties are my absolute favorite. I love making delicious vegan food from scratch, like these spicy buffalo wings from Cauliflower. So delicious with some ranch dressing. People can't believe the ranch is vegan. It's going to be amazing and delicious. So I wanted to show you how you can bring a good vegan treat to your Super Bowl party. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is get a head of cauliflower and tear it up into little pieces, little florets. You want to break those apart so you get some nice little pieces like that, or big pieces. These are kind of big. And anyway, you want to break them up so they're, bite-sized. And then we're going to give them a little bath and we're going to send them to the oven to bake a little bit. So let's get started. In this bowl here, I have 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. Feel free to make it gluten-free. I have 3/4 cup of plant-based milk. I use oat. You can use soy if you want. You just don't want it to be sweet. And I have 1/4 cup of water. What we want to do is just give it a good mix. Get all of the lumps out, okay? To that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of paprika. If you want to give it a little bit more zest, it could be smoked paprika. I'm just going to sprinkle in some pepper, a dash of pepper, and give it maybe like 1/4 teaspoon or so of sea salt. Okay? You're going to mix that in. This is going to be your batter. Now for the breadcrumbs here, I chose to use panko. I find that panko breadcrumbs really crisp up nicely. Okay, that's nice and mixed up. So you're going to take your cauliflower. You're going to give it a nice bath here. You really want it to get down inside. Get it nice and coated. And then you can go ahead and dunk it in here, or you can just do this. So that way your breadcrumbs don't get super messy. You want to leave space on your pan so that way the air can circulate all around it. If you put them too close together, they won't really cook that well. Cauliflower is actually very, very healthy. It's good for the skin, it's good for the bones, it's great for the heart, it's really good to detox the body. So I highly recommend eating cauliflower as much as you can. You can roast it in the oven with a little bit of curry on it. You can make cauliflower soup with some leeks and potatoes. You can have it raw with some vinegar and oil. Here they are. Look at, they're so perfectly breaded. Look at that. It's gonna be amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these babies in the oven for about 25 minutes. 25 minutes at 350. So while that's in the oven, we're going to get the hot sauce going. We have our cup of Frank's Red Hot with about 1/2 cup of vegan butter. I like to use the Earth Balance kind. And we're just gonna melt that down in here. Well, we gotta make the ranch dressing next, so let's get to that. Okay, time to make the ranch dressing. I love Follow Your Heart. Vegenaise, the soy-free kind. I absolutely love this. It's really good. You're going to put a half a cup of your Vegenaise. I'm using a little Cuisinart chopper. It has a little blade in there. This is what I'm going to use to make my ranch dressing. So you can use any type of food processor you want, but I have about a half a cup of my Vegenaise, and then I have fresh dill. You're going to want about a tablespoon of dill. I love dill, so I'm adding quite a bit of dill here. And you're going to want some fresh parsley, also about a tablespoon. You can go ahead and use dried if you want. I like fresh. It's okay. You can keep the stems on it. Okay, this is going to be very, very herby. I might even add some garlic. Let's see. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, that looks pretty good. That looks really good. Let's give it a little try. Absolutely delicious. I'm going to add the rest of my dill, and I'm going to add a little piece of garlic. All right. Ooh, looks good. And give this a try. Perfect. And there you have your ranch dressing. Highly recommend adding the garlic to it. And now that that's all set and we have 11 minutes left, we can go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned. Yay! Okay, here you have it. They are really crispy already. So I'm just going to, I don't like to dirty a ton of dishes. So in this same pot that I made the sauce, I'm going to just use that. Put the cauliflower in. Give it a nice little toss to coat it. Shake it off and plop it right back down. These were a little bit hot when I grabbed them. Obviously, it's way faster if you can use your hands. All right, there we have it. All of them are coated in our Frank's Red Hot and butter sauce. Yum! I love that sentence. Let's stick it in the oven for 25 more minutes. These are gonna be so good. 25 minutes till yumminess. Ooh, look at how yummy. I would say maybe crank the oven from 350 to 400 and cook it at 400 for 25 minutes. I left mine in a little bit longer to get a little bit crispier, but look at these, you guys. Amazing. Okay. Oh, my mouth's watering. I can't wait to try one. Let's try it. Which one do I want? Which one do I want? Let's try this little guy. Okay. Ready? Dip it in our ranch, our creamy, dreamy, delicious ranch. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I don't know which one I want to eat next. Oh my god. Let's have another one. Ooh, it's good. Oh my god. It's so good, you guys. I mean, all of these. This ranch dressing is incredible. It's so good. My kitchen's clean. Can clean while it's baking. It's perfect. Take them out. Put them on your serving platter. Wrap them up. Take them to your Super Bowl party. These guys won't be sitting on the sideline. That's for sure. They're going to be out on the field. They're the QB of every party. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to visit solfoodcollective.com, solfoodcollective.com. Got lots of great things up on that website. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please click that little bell so you get notifications every time I post a yummy recipe or anything vegan. Thank you guys so much, and have a really fun Super Bowl, and I will see you soon. Bye.